Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Coin Engineer. I'm seeing you in a new video today. I hope you're doing well and we kind of help you do well in this market, in this crypto world. Today I'm going to talk about how to sign up on the Binance exchange. I'm going to explain it step by step and I hope this tutorial will be super great for beginners. Before getting to the point, don't forget please to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to receive the latest updates from the crypto world. And thank you so much, we already hit 100k subscribers. You're really supporting us, thank you so much for that. And I think now we can talk about how to sign up on the Binance exchange. Let's get started. As you can see, I already went to the website of this platform, but you can also download the app of this platform to either your phone or your computer, no matter. Here there are some sections. You can choose the language you will be using in this platform. I already chose English language and I'm using this platform in the night mode. Here you can choose it. If you already have an account in this platform but you didn't have verify your identity, then you can just log into your profile, your account, and then verify your ID. If you don't have an account in this platform, then I'm here for that today to explain you how to do that. We just click on this section, sign up section, and then go to the registration page. No matter, you can also put your email in here or your phone number and then click on sign up, or directly you can just click on this section sign up and go to the registration page. Let's go. That's it. As you can see on the screen here, Binance requires us to put our email or phone number in here. As I'm exemplifying it, I'll just put my email in here. That's it. I put my email address here and then click on next. And it'll take us to the next page of the registration section. And here, after we put our email in, Binance will send a confirmation email, a verification code to our email address. We will just check our email address, copy that verification code and paste it here. And after that, Binance requires us to create a password. Of course, it must be a strong password. Everyone highly recommend to create a strong password. It must include at least 8 characters, as you can see here, at least 1 number and at least 1 capital letter, uppercase letter. Now I'm just creating my password. That's it. I wrote my password and I'm clicking on next. And that's it. Congrats, you've already entered to this crypto world. You've already created your Binance account. And now there's an important point here, and it's identity verification. Now we need to get our profile, our account verified by Binance. Here we need to choose our country, residence, then the country which our document is issued with, and both of them, as you can see, are same. Then we need to Binance gives us 3 options. Here we need to choose our document type. It can be either passport or ID card or driver's license. Now I'm choosing ID card section and click on continue here. And you must know that this is very important for Binance, and this is actually called KYC, know your customer, and it's very important because this helps Binance to protect you and protect the platform from fraud, money laundering and scam. It also makes sure that only real people with verified IDs can use this exchange. So when you verify your identity, it means you're using Binance legally and safely. And here, if we want to continue this process on our phone, then we can just scan this QR code and then continue the process in our phone. But also we can upload our ID card photos from our current device. After clicking on that section, here another page comes up. We have to upload the front side of ID card and back side of ID card. And after uploading the front side and back side of ID card, you can also need to take a selfie or a short video of your face using your phone or webcam. And after that, Binance will now check your documents, and this may take a few minutes to a few hours, maybe 24 hours or less. Once it's done, you'll get an email saying verification is successful. That's it. I already have an account. That's why I can't go to the next page because I already have an account, as I was saying, but I think you already got the point. Now I'm going back to the dashboard of the Binance exchange. That's it. You can see on the screen I'm on the dashboard of my account. Great, I have a Binance account. After identity verification, you can also turn on 2FA, two-factor authentication, and it can keep your account safer. And there's an important point here. After we have an account on Binance, when you trade on Binance, you usually pay a small fee. You will see that, but if you use a referral code, you can save money. Sometimes 0.1 or dollar or 0.2. For example, if you buy $1,000 in crypto, Binance may require $1, but with a referral code you can keep 20% of that commission fee. For example, if you must have paid $1, you will just pay $0.8, and you can benefit from this, saving some percent of commission fee forever. It's not for just some time, it's forever. You can use it forever. And I'll also will put my account in the description part down below. You can just use that referral code and you can keep some percent of the commission fee for yourself. So, and that referral code will reduce your trading fee forever. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Binance account and verify it safely. And of course, we will have other videos regarding Binance platform about how to use it. Today, you've already learned how to create a Binance account and how to verify it safely. And we will have other videos regarding this platform about how to use Binance platform. That's it, guys. Use the referral code below to save money every time you trade. And if this video has helped you, please give it a like, comment. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Coin Engineer. Thank you so much for watching us, and good luck with your crypto journey. Good luck in this market. Thanks. See you in the next video.